Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Retay RXP-22. I've shot this suppressed, unsuppressed. This has the threaded barrel and an optic and without an optic, and it's an impressive 22 long rifle handgun. This is flat dark earth. They have black, they have OD green. It has a very unique disassemble process, and it has these huge capacity wise. Yeah, I'm going to show you an 18 round mag, but this is a 13 round mag, but it is huge and big. We're going to talk about the RXP-22, so let's do it. The Retay RXP-22 is a budget-friendly handgun. The MSRP is $299. At the Fin, well, you could shave about 80 bucks off of that. This is the threaded model. The MSRP is not altered whether you go with the threaded model or a flush-fitting barrel. This is $299 as well, doesn't matter. And this has a 4.3-inch barrel. But it has that flat trigger that is super nice. And here's the mag I told you about. This thing is built like you could drop it off a mountain and it would survive no problem. 13 rounds, and they offer 2 in the case. They also have an 18 round mag that is available, and I like the grip texturing. It feels nice. And then I took the optic that I had on here off, but it does have this plate here. It's a thick plate. They actually use screws, not just typical optic screws, but flathead screwdriver screws. I don't know. I think I like it. I think I like it better that way. It's super tight, and it is cut to fit an RMSC footprint or an RMR footprint. And it has a tritium night sight. Super nice. Now, the only beef that I have with this is that the double action is super heavy. I mean, it is heavy. But in single action, it's really nice. It's got the forward serrations there. The slide is aluminum. They call it aircraft grade aluminum. And the disassemble is like none other. But I've shot this quite a bit. Let's roll through a little bit of that, and we'll come back and revisit this. I've got 19 rounds loaded up with the 18 round mag. Let's see, we'll go up top at first. Come down. $19 rounds. If you go with this, it'll come in this case right here. Here is the 18 round mag. Now this is a separate purchase, but look at that, 18 rounds. You don't see that too often. And it's not as beefy as the 13 round mags, but I don't think it has to be. It's way down the pistol a little bit. But it does have that follower dropper or whatever, follower, I don't know the name of it. You know, you could drop the follower, make it easier to load 18 rounds. Let me show you how this thing disassembles, because it is unlike anything you have seen before. Very different, but I'm going to revert back to the OD green model that I had, and now I've got the flat dark earth. The disassemble is very different. Never experienced anything like this. I took the thread cap off. I'm going to lock the slide back and pull this lever down and then take it out. At this point, and you'll see it all fall out the front end, I'm going to pull back up on the slide, and there goes the gas block, the recoil spring guide rod assembly. And then it's fully disassembled. Fixed barrel, 4.35 inches. This is the threaded model, obviously. I'm going to take this gas block and put it in this way and get it in that slot there. And then we'll take the recoil spring guide rod, put it in that gas block hole. And then I'm going to take the slide, put it on top. This is very different. And then we'll find the sweet spot with this lever there, take it down, and there we go. When the thumb safety is engaged, it will render the trigger useless, but the slide will still lock back. Now I will mention, it's a 22 long rifle, so that slide weight and that recoil spring is very easy to manipulate. So if you have weaker hands or injured hands, it will work. And if you go with just the irons, you got the benefit of a tritium front sight. Nice touch for a budget priced pistol. I like the way it feels. It doesn't have finger grooves at all, but the texturing is really nice. And the single action pulls nice. That double action is really heavy. But the disassemble, unique. You do it a few times, you'll have it down. And how can you not love these big, beefy mags? And an 18 round mag. Okay, that's separate on their site. But Retay, known for making the RA15 I showed on the Fin channel. And here is the RXP-22. Good plinking tool, good training tool. And I would go with the threaded barrel. Why not? It's the same MSRP. And I think you'll be in good standing with that. 4.3. And the other one is just a little bit shorter because it's flush fitting. That goes out about a ½ inch there. So you could choose your color. And the Fin has them. Go check them out. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.